Hello everyone, this is Nurse Ayodele and welcome back to my channel. If you're a nurse and you're looking for a way to start, to grow and to monetize your nursing channel, follow me on this video and watch through. Are you a nurse who has been looking and thinking about starting a YouTube channel but you don't know where to begin? Today I will be showing you exactly how to start and how to grow, how to monetize a nursing YouTube channel, and also how to do it fast. Follow me and follow each step. So fine, if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, the first and the most important thing you want to do is to sit down and think about it. And once you've thought about it and you're sure you really want to start the channel, think about a professional name. Think about a professional name. Think about a name that you can easily remember, a easy name for people to remember. Once you've done that, another thing you need to do is think about a niche that you want to dwell on. There are different niche in nursing. You can decide you want to talk about nursing education. You can decide you want to talk about nursing stories, like in the life of a nurse, different stories occur. So if you feel like that is what you want to talk about, if you decide that your niche is going to be NCLEX tips about how to pass NCLEX exams, what you need to do and all of that. And also if yours is health awareness, if you think you actually want to dwell on any of this niche, fine. Once you sit down and you've thought about the niche that you want to do, set up your professional name and your banner. I'm sure we are very smart and you can easily navigate through um opening a channel, setting up your name and your banner. Once you've done that, you need to create an about section where you tell people what you want to be doing on your YouTube channel, what you want to do on your YouTube channel, like a description. You create a description that will suit your page, that will suit what you want to be talking about. So once you do that, your page is set. Your page is set. You have your name, you have your banner, you have your description, and you already have in your mind your niche. So once you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to start posting. Well, if you want to be posting a long video, that is over 8-minute video, you can post probably twice in a week, because you need to be consistent with your posting. You need to be consistent with your posting. So post, if it's a long video, you can post probably twice a week. And if you want to post short videos, you can post probably as comfortable as you can. Post as comfortable as you can. But the thing is, make sure you are posting consistently, because it's a new channel. You need to keep posting so that the algorithm will know that, okay, there's a channel here and this is what is going on there. This is what is going on this channel. So like I said earlier, you should also look for trending topics relating to your niche. Search what videos about people who post nursing content as well. There are so many people who post nursing content. Watch their videos and also look at how they do their videos. Look at what they talk about. That is how you can know a trending topic. So once you're able to get a grip of a trending topic, make videos about them, post them on your pages as well. Also, another thing that attracts more views is your thumbnail. Thumbnail is like the first thing your viewers will see that will attract them to your page. That is what the viewers will see that will attract them to click on your page to know what is going on there. So you might want to learn more about thumbnail, but today we are just talking about how to start your page and how to grow your page, like I said. So like, you create your thumbnail, which is going to look like a front representation of your content. So that is what the viewers will click on and will take them to your videos. So once you've created a clickable thumbnail that looks very interesting, you also need to create titles and tags and description for that content you are making. Create a title for that content you are making. And the thing is, your title, your description, and also your tags must be search engine optimized. We call it SEO. It must be search engine optimized, because that is what the algorithm is going to use to be able to classify your video. Any content you make, that is what the search engine is going to be able to use to classify your video. So you make sure that the tag, the title, and the description matches the search engine optimization. If not, your video is just going to be stuck with low views or no views at all. So once you've done that, like I said earlier, make sure you jump on trending topics. Jump on trending topics to help your videos, trend. Also, when you start to get views, when you start to get comments, engage with your comments, engage with whatever is going on your page. If people comment on your post, reply them, have the conversation with them. With this, the algorithm is going to notice that something is actually going on your page, and will also help to push your views out to people. So these are very important things you need to understand for a start. Another thing that is very important is collaborating with other nursing YouTubers, other nursing content creators. Search for them, look at what they do, study them. You don't have to copy them verbatim. Just look at how they make their videos, study them, pick one or two things from them, and it's going to be useful for your own page as well. Like I'm saying, it's going to help you. Another thing you can do is, after you've created your content, share some clips, share it to your WhatsApp groups, share to your TikTok, to your Instagram, share it so that it can also drive traffic back to your page, so that it can drive traffic back to your YouTube page. So those are the things that you can do if you are just starting your nursing YouTube channel and you're looking to grow your nursing channel. So with consistency, with time, trending topics, niche topics, and all of that, with time you would start to grow. And if you're looking to monetize your page, there are some important things that you need to understand. The first thing you need to understand to monetize your page is that you need to have a 1,000 subscribers. You need to have 1,000 subscribers. Don't worry, with time you will be able to get your 1,000 subscribers. I'm also a new nursing YouTube creator, so we are in this together. Another thing you need is 4,000 watch hours. You need 4,000 watch hours in the past 365 days. You need 4,000 watch hours in the past 365 days on, or 10 million short views in 90 days. So that is why I said, if you want to be posting short videos, you need to have 10 million views in 90 days. In 90 days, you need to have 4,000 watch hours if you are posting a long videos. So those are the important things you need to understand. Another way you can get monetized is probably brands, adverts, and all of that. But because you are just starting, you need to grow your page first. And when you get to the level of monetization, by then you would understand how to navigate this YouTube. So if you want to grow your nursing YouTube channel and you want to help others grow as well, start today. Today is the time you start. So hit subscribe button, because I post nursing and lifestyle content, and also how to help you succeed in your nursing channel growth and creation. So thank you. Join me in my next videos. Thank you very much.